How to import Dot3D data into Trimble RealWorks. The new 2025 version of RealWorks no longer requires you to use compatibility mode when exporting your Dot3D scans. To import a scan, go to the top left and click Import and then Open. Make sure you have the dot product file type selected, and then navigate to the scan you want to open, select the file, and press Open. This will now work with any DP file regardless of compatibility mode. Trimble RealWorks will now load in your scan. This may take some time depending on the size of your scan, so we'll cut this part out. And there it is. Our detailed Dot3D point cloud data has been imported straight into Trimble RealWorks in its native DP format. This scan was captured with Dot3D Pro on an iPhone Pro. It doesn't get much easier than that. RealWorks is a powerful tool for working with point cloud data, offering registration, classification, analyzation, and modeling capabilities.